Enjoy this wonderful summer drink at home. How to make hibiscus tea. Now, when we think of hibiscus flowers tea or Flor de Jamaica, we think of this beautiful red flower. Now, we're not talking about the ornamental hibiscus, but this particular variety. It actually has light colored petals with reddish purple centers. These are the deep red calyces. After the petals fall, it's actually the remaining deep red calyces that is used, which is called the flowers. Now, I enjoy hibiscus tea cold, and I make it by the pitcher full. I boil 2 cups of water, turn off the heat, add 1 cup of hibiscus flowers. I cover and let it steep for 10 minutes or more. Strain into a 2-quart container. Sweeten it as desired. Now, this is very tart. You can use 1 cup of sugar or its equivalent or of other sweeteners. Filter the top of the container with cold water and refrigerate or serve over ice. Now, this is enjoyed with mint, lemon, lime, orange, or pineapple. And for extra benefits, enjoy it without the sweeteners. Now, hibiscus flower tea can either be steeped or simmered. It makes a refreshing drink steeped for 10 minutes, retaining more of its nutrients such as the vitamins A and C. Some people may simmer it for around 10 minutes, will provide the most flavor and color, but may destroy those important nutrients. Place 3 hibiscus flowers into a cup. Pour 1 cup of boiling water into the cup. Cover and steep for 10 minutes. Strain, add sweetener, and enjoy. Or place 3 hibiscus flowers in a saucepan. Pour in 1½ cups of water. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain, add sweetener, and enjoy. Now, many benefits can be enjoyed as a tea, hot or cold, but sometimes the benefits must be made into a concentrated extract, which can be a powder or as an alcohol or glycerin tincture. Now, if you watch my other channel, Carolyn Gibson Herbalist, it tells how to make tinctures. Hibiscus flowers are very tart and taste much like cranberries. Cools off the body, especially important during the summer heat. Rehydrates the body, loaded with nutrients, vitamins A, B, and C, antioxidants, minerals such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, iron, sodium, and zinc. It's a natural diuretic, reduces mild blood pressure, reduces fever, and is considered a hangover remedy. Now, taking hibiscus flower as a supplement, either in capsules or alcohol or glycerin extracts, gives you a concentrated dose for therapeutic benefits. Now, for weight loss, its anti-obesity effects include loss of body weight, inhibition of fat accumulation, improvement in blood lipid profiles, and suppression of adipogenesis. Those are those fat storing cells. In a 12-week study, 2 hibiscus tablets, 450 mgs apiece, taken 3 times a day after meals led to a decrease in waist circumference, decrease in body fat percentage, decrease in FFA, free fatty acid in the liver, and a decrease in waist to hip ratio. Yay! Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Now, if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.